bit. See, but Manny doesn't care. He's revving it wherever. The boys. Look at my boy Gordon, F-spot brought out to the meet. I've seen maybe 15 people trip on this in the last 10 minutes. It's fucking hilarious. Can't miss the best part of the car. The exhaust is longer than me. I want to say this is about 7 feet tall. I want to put it right here. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, how you doing? Oh, they're throwing shit. They're throwing shit. Oh my God.